that menu.
Okay, so today we are going to build this screen, login screen. So yesterday I told you everyone to make an assignment, something like that. So this is little bit difficult. So for that I decided I will show how to make such a login UI. Yeah, lots of things you will learn, like column. You guys already know the column, but I will show some more things. Also I will show how to make this type of text. Here you can see it's black, and in here different color, it's bold. So it's a string builder. I will show. Also I will show how to add text field in Jetpack Compose, something like that. Also I customize the button.
This is the material design, right?
Yeah, this is the material design. So
Okay.
let's start. First we have to download the font. So I am opening Google font. Let's download the open sense font family. Okay, font is downloading. So I am opening the Android Studio previous project. So last day we work on the screen dashboard. So uh, in today I'm creating a new screen which will be a login screen. So we are gonna make the login UI something like that. So that's why I'm creating a new screen. So for adding a new screen, just create a Kotlin file here and just name it screen login. It's a file, composable file. Also I am creating a composable function. So I'm making the screen login. Also it will take, we have to provide the destination. Destination invitation. Let's copy from other code. Destination also let's import the destination. Also in the destination function I have to provide the navigator, screen login. So that's it. Also I have to mention the root screen in main activity, app activity. So root screen will be let's assign the root screen. Start route. I have to provide the start route, because start route means our application start from this screen. Like if I provide the screen destination, screen dashboard destination, then our application start from screen destination screen. If I provide screen login,
You're using the library, right, James?
yeah, I'm using the library.
So I think this is hassle free, I think.
Yeah, this is self. So let's build. After create a new screen, you have to build. It will generate some codes for you. Also I am creating another function which is will be preview screen login, and it will be annotated by preview annotation. Also I am calling screen login function. Okay, that's it. So back to the main activity. Assign the starting route. Start route will be screen login destination. That's it.
Okay.
So in here I am adding a column for a demonstration, the design. So column, I'm adding a normal text. Providing some property, like this column will take the full max size, and
Okay.
vertical arrangement will be center, and horizontal alignment also will be the center horizontal. see if I closely. Let's reload it again. Here you can see hello world, but it's not visible because we didn't add any background color. Background, let's add the color dot white. Let's little bit format this. Okay, that's it. So do you understand? Do you have any question?
No, it's quite simple and hassle-free, and no need to be required lots of knowledge to configure such kinds of navigation.
Yeah. So we just create a new screen. So let's launch our app. Starting the emulator.
Okay.
So moving this image. Here you can see the application launched and started from the login screen, but the login screen just contains a text which is hello world. Yeah, this one. So if you change the route to screen login destination to screen dashboard destination, so our application, if you launch the application, then you will see this the starting route will be it's not error, just showing. Yeah, starting route is dashboard screen. Last day we built the screen. Okay, so for now, let's back to the screen login, and now let's add the font which we download earlier.
Okay.
So the font will be open sense, this one. Steady. So we just add the regular and bold font. So for adding font,
Okay.
we can add we have to remove the font name because I already told you everything in Android. If you want some other resources, then you have to rename to follow this instruction. You don't have to add capital letter on the name. So also you have to remove the space using underline.
Okay.
That's good. Okay, so regular and bold, we just need two fonts. Okay, that's it. So just copy this font, and you have to create a new folder in the resource directory. So I'm creating font folder and pasting the font I copy. Yeah, there is two font. So to configure a font for use in our application, you have to go to the
Okay.
you can write it here, type folder, or you can add a new file, Kotlin file. So I am just adding here.
Okay.
So I am creating a font for font family will take list of font, I think. Yeah, it takes list of font. Here you can see. So font will be dot for list of fonts. So I have to call the font class. Font from Jetpack Compose. So we have to pass the font name. So let's import the R on dot open sans regular, and font to it will be normal. Adding two fonts just for demonstration.
Okay.
So open sans bo, we know. Okay, so that's it for now, and in here I am adding default. Maybe let's check the default font family. So it takes the default font family typography. So if you assign in here typography in default font family, so this font will apply the whole application. Open sans, that's it. So our default font family is open sans, right? So previously we use in XML default font family. So here you can use the default font family. So our font configuration has done. So let's test it. So in here, let's apply the font family at style, text style. It will take font size. Let's make it 23 sp. Font family will be font family open sans, and font weight will be font weight dot bold. Okay, if I now relaunch the app, it's launching.
Okay.
Oh, we forgot to change the route, default route. So let's change it to screen login destination, and let's relaunch it. Here you can see our font has applied to the
Okay.
UI.
O should be small letter at the
Mm,
world.
yeah, I will remove this font. So let's remove it and make this kind of UI design. This design. So for now, we need a image, a logo, and then that a login text and another text. So I already use column for it, and let's make the okay, I will change the horizontal alignment later. Let's add a new icon image. So in vector asset, let's use this image, the umbrella. In the column section, first we need to add an image. You already know about image, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm adding little bit format to the image. So first parameter will be the painter resource. Painter resource is actually a function that if I provide the image ID, then it will set the image into our image view. Also, I'm providing content description null. It's not fan. It will be baseline access. Okay, the color filter. I'm providing a tint color. So color filters dot tint. So color dot purple. Purple color. Let's copy from the color. Tint color. Let's import it. Okay. And the size of the image will be size. Let's add a modifier. Size will be the 18 dp.
Okay.
Also I am adding alignment. Here you can see image in the left side.
Hmm.
So alignment dot start. So let's reload and see it's look like. So you can see the image is added, but there is no padding margin. We will add. So let's add some padding, default padding on the whole screen.
15 dp you can use.
Yeah. So I can use the padding. It's more than 15 dp, I think. Okay, let's initially use 15 dp. So if I now reload this, I should be able to see the padding. I launch the okay, 15 dp added. Let's add the increase the image size to 120 dp. Okay, it's so the next step is add a login text. So I am adding text. Login color dot black black font family will be open sense. We don't need to provide the font family each of time because we already default set the font family. So just you have to provide the font to it. Is it bold or normal? So font to it will be normal, and the text size I'm providing font size 30 dp.
You are going to making the exact UI design that you showed in for from IMA.
Yeah, I will make the exact
So
same design.
okay, so this umbrella is for what?
Umbrella for the logo. I'm not copy the
Oh, it's
image
just the
demonstration.
right. Okay,
Yeah.
so make a logging skin for food app for Beat.
Mhm, mhm. Okay. Font family, open sense. Here I am providing font family because of for see the design purpose, but you don't have to provide the font family every time. And let's align it to the left. So let's add the modifier align modifier.
Okay.
Start. Let's copy. Okay, maybe text is more than 30 dp. Let's make it 40 sb and reload it.
Okay.
The login has added, but we have to add some padding between the image and the text. So let's add padding. So padding will be 15 dp. So let's reload. It's padding top, not the whole area.
Okay.
Okay, so
First of all,
let's
add
add.
all the visit. First of all, I think.
Okay, so I'm just copy the another text and pasting here.
Yes.
So this text a little bit smaller. It would be 20 sp. So the text is, if you don't have an account, register register. And I'm using /n for line breaks. Here you can see register. You can register. Here is the second line. You can register here. Okay, the text color will be black. So let's reload it. Also, I'm adding padding to 40. Okay, let's see how it's look like now. Yeah, text is added. Type is with the U. Okay, so now we have to add two field, text field, email, password. So in here, I'm adding text input field. Text input field is a widget, same as input text. It's basic text field. So in here, I have to provide two values. One is the value. So for now, I am just leave it empty. Let's add a placeholder. Let's
Okay.
check here. Text single line text. So let's add it here, email. And let's add two more, and the modifier will be modifier field max white. Just copy and paste. Let's reload. Second one will be password.
This is under the column, right?
Yeah, this is all the properties under the column.
Okay. Basic text field.
It's not basic text field, it will be the only text field.
Yes. Only text field. Because for the material design field, we have to use some different key for this, I think, functional call.
Yeah. Let's add a placeholder. Placeholder text email. Let's copy, cut, and paste. I add two comma. Also, let's add some padding. $15. Second one will take 10 dp. So if I reload this, here you can see the text view as added. Okay, I will change add style later. For now, let's add padding to 30 dp, 32 dp. Okay,
Okay.
and one more thing, you have to use the outline text view for the design purpose. Here you can see it's outline text view, not a text view. So I am just you just use outline text field. Ma'am, do you understand what I'm doing here?
Yeah,
Uh,
following.
yes, of course.
Can you,
Uh,
what's the difference of outline text field?
Outline text field, here you can see the text view. It's a background. It has a background and a bar bottom of the, yeah, bottom of the field. But outline text view is different. Here you can see it's outline a border.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the difference between
and here is also some other field too.
animations. Yeah, some animation stuff. Okay, let's add the color of the hint. Text color will be color dot black. Let's copy paste. So let's reduce the text size here. I use, let's use 16 sp. Okay, that's it. And now we have to add two things: forget password and remember key. Let's add the forget password just for demonstration.
Okay.
So I'm copy the text and pasting here. That start will be 10 dp. Forget password and alignment will be the right int. Sorry, it's int. See here you can see if you uh, place the text in the in here starting point, then you have to provide the alignment start. If you place it int, then you have to provide the int. If you place it the middle point, then you have to provide the center.
We can add the
So
remember checkbox and the forget password into a row.
we can add later, but for time I'm just
Okay, okay, okay. We have to complete it within the time as possible. Okay.
so here you can see,
Mm-hmm.
but the forget password color is different color, so I'm using a color uh, here. I'm just using a previous use color purple 700. So let's import it, and also let's if I reload this, then I should be able to see the color, different color. Here you can see color has changed. And now let's add a button, this button. So let's uh, we are using card. For here you can see the shadow of the button, so that's why I'm using card, because card property, card widget provides shadow of their views. So card is another widget in Jetpack Compose. Here I am adding a text. Actually I'm adding a box. Let's add a box inside the card, and I'm pasting text. The button will be login, text size 20 sp, and alignment center. And the card box will take modifier fill max size. Also I am adding another property, content alignment arrangement dot center. In the box I am providing the color of the background color. Let's add, okay, if I open, okay, let's add the color. background color will be purple. Let's copy that color as a background color, text color. And also I have to provide the shape of the card. So it's rounded corner shape. So I'm providing rounded corner shape, and the radius will be the 46 dp. And also I'm providing a shadow. For providing shadow, there's a property called elevation, and I'm providing to 10 dp. So if I now let's add some padding, the top padding.
Mm.
Top to 30 dp or 50 dp. So if I now reload this, the button has added, but it's oversized. It's
Mhm.
look
You
weird.
need to fix to the size, I think.
Yeah, I have to provide the size of the box. So
Height.
the size will be the,
So you will preparing is using the box.
yeah, I'm providing a box here. Fill max width, and the height will be height in is 65 dp.
Okay.
And also I have to change the color, text color, because the background color and the text color same, that's why text is not visible. So I am providing to white. Let's
Mm.
increase the size of the login button text. And if I now reload this,
Mm.
color has changed, but the button shape isn't changed. uh let's add here fill max width. Yeah, let's reduce the text size. Center now. Oh, we add the padding, but we don't need padding now. So let's increase the size of the button 80 dp. Try now reload this. Maybe I have to add some padding.
Sasakal.
Yeah, it's perfect now. So this is the design, and also you can add this image, starting image,
Okay.
and this image.
Mm.
So you have to uh, pass the leading icon. So in leading icon, you have to, I'm calling icon property. And then providing the size will be 13 dp. Let's add two image, one for email.
Yes.
And another is lock password. So in here I'm passing the email painter resource r dot travel dot email. Content description will be null, and the tint color of the icon will be I'm just leave it black, or you can use purple. Let's add the tint of the icon color, purple 700. Okay, let's copy and paste for password also. And in here I am using IC password log less than log. So if I now reload this, there you can see icon is set. So let's reduce the size little bit. So if I run the project, okay, here you can see our expected design, but we have to reduce the button size, add the trailing icon, and also change the register color. So how you can do that? Actually, this is your assignment for today. You have to complete the UI design according this screen. I'm providing source code. Just you have to modify, and you have to.
Okay. Okay, just share the project with the ma'am using the GitHub link. Okay.
Ma'am, do you have any question?
Can you help me? What you call it? Import the code to my Android Studio.
Yeah, I can help you. Okay, let's
Yeah, ma'am, you can share your screen now. Then
okay,
we can help.
let's first
Yes.
push the code.
Mhm.
Let login UI. Maybe I have to GitHub token. So let's log into the GitHub. I will look at settings, new. We need the token, personal token.
Select the no expiration. After 90 days.
After 90 days. Okay, that's it for now. Let's copy the token.
Where's the token there?
Here. Push it again. So let's push by git terminal.
No, it's not pushing because the username password is invalid, I think.
Yeah. Git config. Okay, let's Google it for pushing the source code. This project.
दे दे
Okay. Okay, let's push it by Ender Studio. Okay. Yeah, code push successfully. Let's check the repo. Yeah, here you can download the source code. So, ma'am, could you share your screen?
Yeah.
Let's provide the link here. Okay, please share your screen.
Okay, share.
Okay, open Android Studio.
Copy.
Click on the get from VCS. Right side, the right side, top right side, get from VCS. Paste the URL here.
paste. You can paste the repository while there.
Clone.
Yeah, clone. Click on the clone. Yeah, it's done.
Oh,
It's taking some time to configure the JTK and some other stuff. Just wait a little bit.
Gradle, I think Gradle ZB I'm using the embedded.
Hmm.
Okay, it's not issue actually.
It's not an issue.
So it will just clone the project. It's a 1 or 2 minutes maximum because I think internet speed is good there.
Hmm.
James bro,
Yeah.
please share the assignment UI in our development Slack development group.
Okay. I'm providing.
Yes, share it with us. So first of all, check mem can run this project into his Mac or not.
is it run? It's not done yet.
Let me.
I think it's done, ma'am.
It's done. Okay.
It's done. You can run the project.
Run button.
Where can I see the main kit or screen?
Okay. Just open the com Java com. Yeah, this one.
Oh,
This
okay.
is the screen login.
Okay.
Click on it. Double click on it.
Okay, double.
Okay. Press the build and refresh.
TJ, don't do that.
Ma'am, hit the run button.
Where?
Run at the top section. New device API 25.
Oh, shit. Oh, right here.
Yeah, the run button. Okay, it will take some time. Press yes. Okay. So you can resize the size, simulator size, and the view size. Click on the yeah, you can resize it by dragging.
Okay.
It's taking time, little bit time to build and run. Larry, I shared the source code and repo.
Yeah, I got it. Thank you.
Yes. Now.
Okay. This is the UI.
Okay. Okay, so I need to see the screenshot of the Emma screen again.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Could you stop it? Stop sharing.
Okay.
So take a screenshot from here on the screen.
Share
Okay,
the
got it.
screenshot into the group.
I shared the screenshot as well.
Okay, okay, great.
Okay, did you take the screenshot?
Yes, done.
So ma'am, is it ready in your machine? You can run the machine, right? You can run the code there in your machine.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So keep
That's it for
working
today.
on, and thank you so much for joining, ma'am. We have to move into another meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.